In a gross violation of protocol, former President APJ Abdul Kalam was frisked and treated as a commoner at Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport by the ground security staff of Continental Airlines. The incident comes as a violation of guidelines given to airlines which exempt VIPs like presidents and former presidents from security checks, let alone frisking. Continental Airlines in this case is guilty of not one but at least 3 offences. First, Kalam was forced to wait on the Aero Bridge as airline officials debated whether or not to put him under security scanner. Not just that, Kalam had to undergo a complete body check and was made to remove his footwear as well. To top it all, no consideration was given to Kalam's public persona of being the former president of India.
I deplore this incident. We condemn what has happened. And on behalf of the Ministry of Civil Aviation, I can assure you that the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security will take the most stringent action in accordance with the rules, regulations and the law. Not only a preliminary inquiry has been ordered, but we also have a report, preliminary report, on the basis of which the Continental Airlines has already been issued a show cause notice as to explain why action against them under Section 11A of the Aircraft Act 1934 for willful violation of the BCEAS circular should not be taken. As a mark of respect and sentiment, I will personally go and explain the position and express the regret from my side to the former president.
The party joins the entire House to deplore that shameful incident which has happened to our former president. And I urge upon the government to act fast and take necessary action to punish those who are responsible for such an incident.
I would also like the government to ascertain whether this action and what has been done with the former President of India has also got something to do with his name, which is Abdul Kalam. If that is the case, then the matter is more serious. The matter is very, very serious. I mean, much more serious than a mere slip of the operations that the airline may have been conducted. But I want this matter also to be inquired.
Our former ministers have been frisked from taking off their coats, their belts, their shoes. And at times we feel so enamored when certain visiting dignitaries come that we send vehicles to the tarmac to receive them and exempt them from all these